Have you ever looked at your Windows desktop and thought it looked boring compared to those stunning, futuristic setups you see online? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how those are made. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how people create those incredible desktop environments that look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, the answer is almost always Rainmeter. This free, open-source desktop customization tool has been transforming Windows desktops for over a decade, and today we're diving deep into what makes it so powerful and how you can use it to completely transform your computer experience. Rainmeter isn't just another desktop widget program. It's essentially a platform that allows you to display customizable skins on your desktop. Think of skins as small programs that can show system information, weather data, music controls, or really anything you can imagine. But here's where it gets interesting: these skins are built using a relatively simple scripting language, which means the possibilities are virtually endless. Let me walk you through what Rainmeter can actually do. At its most basic level, you can add system monitors that show your CPU usage, RAM consumption, and hard drive space in real time. But these aren't boring text readouts. They can be visualized as sleek bars, circular meters, or even integrated into complex graphical interfaces that look like something from Iron Man's workshop. Weather integration is another popular feature. Instead of checking your phone or opening a browser, you can have current conditions, forecasts, and even animated weather effects right on your desktop. Some skins even change your wallpaper automatically based on the current weather conditions outside. Music visualization is where Rainmeter really shines. You can create audio spectrum analyzers that dance to your music, display album artwork and track information in beautiful layouts, and even control playback without ever opening your music player. I've seen setups where the entire desktop theme changes based on the genre of music that's playing. But the real magic happens when you start combining multiple skins into cohesive themes. The Rainmeter community has created thousands of skin packages that work together to create completely unified desktop experiences. You might have a cyberpunk theme with neon colors and futuristic fonts, or a minimal setup that's clean and distraction-free, or even themes that mimic the interfaces from popular video games or movies. Now, let's talk about installation and setup, because this is where some people get intimidated. After downloading Rainmeter from the official website, you'll need to find and install skin packages. The best place to start is DeviantArt, where the community shares their creations. Each skin package comes with installation instructions, and most are as simple as double-clicking an installer file. Once installed, you can right-click any skin to access its settings. This is where you can customize colors, transparency levels, position, and functionality. Want your system monitor to match your wallpaper? You can adjust the colors. Need the weather display to show Celsius instead of Fahrenheit? There's a setting for that. The level of customization available is honestly overwhelming at first, but that's also what makes it so powerful. Here's something many beginners don't realize: you don't need to know how to code to use Rainmeter effectively. While advanced users can write their own skins using Rainmeter's scripting language, there are thousands of pre-made options available. You can achieve incredible results just by mixing and matching existing skins and tweaking their settings. However, if you do want to get into creating your own skins, Rainmeter uses a combination of its own configuration language and standard web technologies. The learning curve isn't too steep if you have any experience with HTML or CSS, and the documentation is excellent. The community is also incredibly helpful. I've rarely seen a more supportive group of creators. Let me address some common concerns. First, performance. People worry that Rainmeter will slow down their computer. In reality, most skins use very little system resources. A typical setup with several skins might use less RAM than a single browser tab. Second, complexity. While Rainmeter can create incredibly complex setups, you can start simple and gradually add more elements as you become comfortable with the software. One thing that sets Rainmeter apart from other customization tools is its longevity and stability. It's been in active development since 2009, with regular updates and strong community support. Unlike many customization tools that come and go, Rainmeter has proven itself as a reliable, long-term solution. The creative possibilities are truly endless. I've seen desktops that look like spaceship control panels, others that mimic the aesthetic of specific TV shows or movies, and minimalist setups so clean they barely look like Windows at all. Some users create seasonal themes that they switch between throughout the year, while others build functional workspaces with everything they need accessible right from their desktop. Rainmeter represents the perfect intersection of functionality and creativity. It's a tool that lets you make your computer truly yours, whether you want subtle enhancements or a complete visual overhaul. The time you invest in learning and customizing Rainmeter pays dividends every single day when you sit down at your computer and see something that reflects your personality and meets your specific needs. If you're ready to transform your boring Windows desktop into something extraordinary, Rainmeter is absolutely the tool to use. Start simple, experiment freely, and don't be afraid to spend time in the community forums and galleries for inspiration. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials on desktop customization, and let me know in the comments what kind of Rainmeter setup you're planning to create.